Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and welcome to more of my mini-series, which is my month of perennials. And in this series I'm going to pick a favourite perennial of mine in the garden for each video and tell you all about it. And for today's video I've chosen to talk about Smilacina or Maianthemum, an absolute favourite of mine. Now, in terms of a garden, we always look out for plants that work hard. You know the kind I mean. Ones that have at least 2 seasons of interest. Or plants that do well in a particularly difficult place like a stony bank, something that just fits that aspect very well. And it's very important to have plenty of these hard-working plants in a garden. But you also have to make space for ones that make your heart sing. And this plant, oh my goodness, in May it really makes my heart sing. It has the most amazing scent. I can't describe what it smells of, but it's certainly freshness and spring and all good things. And it's just a fantastic plant. It looks gorgeous with its fantastic arching habit. Now in this series I'm only going to talk about plants that I particularly love, and Smilacina is certainly one of them. In fact, I love Smilacina so much that I've put it in 4 different places in the garden. And what does it give me? It gives this wonderful appearance in May with the amazing scent. And then after that, when the flowers go over, a backdrop of nice green foliage. It's not remarkable, but it's an interesting backdrop which you will contrast with foliage plants of different colours, and it looks very nice. And in some places you get berries in autumn. Now I've never had berries on mine, not quite sure why that is, but it's definitely something to look forward to if you do get them. Now the common name for this plant is false Solomon's seal, and I think you can tell from looking at it that it is in the same family as Polygonatum. It comes from North America and it's a woodland plant, so it appreciates a position in a moist, shaded or semi-shaded area. Now where you see this plant now, we have a backdrop of some bushes. It's not completely shaded, but it does really well from that, and you can tell by the enormous great big clump that I have managed to generate over a period of years. And Smilacina is fully hardy here in Ireland. As usual, I'm going to write the hardiness zones for the US on the screen down below so you can check it out. It's a clump forming perennial, and once the clump gets quite big then you can split it and move it to other places in the garden. And this spring I had fun dividing this plant and moving some large clumps of it just beside our seating area, which is just perfect for the amazing scent that generates from the plant, and that's exactly what you want when you're having your barbecue or your lunch in the garden. It's a fully deciduous plant, so that means in autumn the foliage is going to die back, and you can cut it back then or you can wait until spring. In fact, if you're going to get berries, then I suggest you leave that foliage in place so the birds can enjoy them after you've enjoyed the wonderful sight of them. And then in spring cut it back to give rise to fresh green new foliage. And that brings me to the end of my video on Smilacina, a firm garden favourite of mine. I absolutely love it, and I hope you liked the video, hope you found it interesting. If you have any questions about Smilacina, jot them down below and I'd be very happy to answer them once I get a chance. Look forward to other videos that are coming your way in this same series, my month of perennials. Thanks very much for watching, and bye for now.